Here on BotSplash TV, we've covered several concepts within networking, and one realm or concept that remains to be explored is that of local events. Hey, and welcome everyone to BotSplash TV. I'm Willem Osich. Local events can truly be a difference maker for a company and its employees. While being active on LinkedIn and social media is one thing, going out to actual hosted events and meetings and gatherings can really open doors of opportunity for a company. Local events are a great way to meet local people, to make local connections, and even establish more of a local reputation about yourself, influencing others about you and your company, and allowing for a local relation to be established. Going to local events can offer chances for you to build your own network and even help you build that local reputation about yourself. So don't be afraid to go out and seek people in your area to network with and start looking at local events to attend. I'm Willem Osich, and if you happen to be in the Charlotte area, I'm sure we'll see you at a local event as well. Thank you all for watching BotSplash TV.